Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a Halloween card inspired by my cat using products from the new Halloween collection, so let's get started. I immediately fell head over heels for the Lovely Layers Scaredy Cat set and decided to use that for today's card. But first I'm going to work on my background using this cool spiderweb 3D embossing folder. I start by blending black ink around the edges of an A2 panel of dark gray cardstock. I blend ink all around the edge, but vary the darkness in different spots. I don't want it to be too matchy-matchy here. I'm going to be dry embossing this panel with the spiderweb embossing folder, so when I finish ink blending, I spritz both sides of the panel with water. This wets the fibers in the paper, allowing them to bend with the shape of the embossing folder instead of cracking. Next, I grab my spiderweb 3D embossing folder and I find the side that has the raised lines of the web. Then I gently swipe a metallic gold ink pad over that side of the folder. A little ink will end up on the spaces between the web on my cardstock, but I'll get a really good impression of the actual web that will stand out more. Once I'm happy with the ink coverage, I place my panel in the embossing folder and run it through my die cutting machine. When I carefully open the folder, you can really see that gorgeous gold shimmery web. I set the panel aside to dry fully and work on the rest of my card. I'm going to be using various shades of orange cardstock along with yellow, gray, pink, and black for the rest of the card, and I die cut the pumpkin and all of my cat pieces from the Lovely Layers Scaredy Cat set. To start, I just like to line up all the pieces so I can see what my cat and pumpkin will look like. I love that each layer has curves and/or embossed lines that help you line up the next layer. You can also find layering guides on the Honeybee Stamps website. I use liquid glue and HG adhesive to adhere the layers together. You might have noticed that my cat is all black in the finished card photo. After I die cut his legs from gray cardstock, I decided I didn't like it and ended up going back and swapping in the black cardstock. I think I could probably have ink blended over the gray cardstock instead to help the gray blend in better with the black, but changing the cardstock was a quick fix. Once I finish gluing my cat and pumpkin together, I stamp a sentiment from Sweet Halloween and heat emboss it with gold embossing powder before die cutting it with the coordinating die. I adhere the pumpkin and cat with HG adhesive and then use foam mounting tape to add my sentiment. Off camera, I switch out the cardstock as I mentioned earlier, and also add accents to his eyes with a white gel pen to finish the card. And that's it! You can find more information on the products I used and the Halloween release in the YouTube description below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you're notified the next time I post. Here are a few more videos you might be interested in, and until next time, have a fantastic day and happy crafting. Bye!